Welcome to a whole new world. Today I'm at Hefei Industrial Park, where the world's largest NIO House is based in.
NIO is China's leading premium EV automaker, and NIO House is what NIO offers to their product owners as a showroom, delivery center, and a community space. Here you can chill, chat, and stay up to date on everything NIO. But what sets this NIO house apart is that it directly connects to NIO's manufacturing base, so you can take a deep dive into how your NIO vehicles are being made. In this highly automated factory, workers can build up to 8 different car models on a single production line. And with over 3 million possible customizations, you can design your NIO exactly how you want it, while it takes just 21 days for a custom NIO to be ready. One of the coolest things about NIO is their battery swap technology. Instead of charging your cars for hours, you can just swap up your battery for a fully charged one. I've tried it for you, it's super fast.